Hello everybody. Wanted to show you part one of my control arm bushing project, which is turning into quite the job, but I'll tell you more about that in a second. First of all, I wanted to show my property here for future do-it-yourself projects. I have plenty of room, like I've said. Right over here I've got 2 engine bays for 2 cars right here, and then where my wife's Nissan is, that's bay number 2. Alright, if you look over here, there's another bay for another car. I'm going to turn this around, show you my driveway. Got plenty right here. Then this is my car right here. I've got another bay, and if you look over here in this direction, I've got plenty of backwoods to go with the other parking spots. So we could probably have a really good do-it-yourself day here with about maybe 7 cars. Okay, getting back to part one of my control arm bushing project. As you can see, I've got the car propped up on the jack. I've got the yellow ramp just in case. Got my tires, kind of looks crazy right now. So anyway, I'm using this air wrench to remove the control arm on all those bolts. Before I got to all of that, I had to, of course, take that big heavy plate off that protects the engine underneath. That was quite a job in and of itself. So right now, here it is. I've got the bolts off and loose for the control arm bushing. I have just returned from O'Reilly's to rent one of their 3 jaw pullers, and part 2, when I come back, will be about how that went, taking the control arm bushing off and then putting it back on. I do want to note one other thing here, that just to show you how the project's going. This air wrench, I had to just rig it up quickly. I want to get this job done today. I should have put plumber's tape to seal up the interface between the hose and the tool itself, because when I turn the compressor on, you hear this, and then I got to wait for about maybe 5 minutes or so before enough pressure builds up in order for the bit to have any kind of power whatsoever and strength. So, but anyway, I'm being